Look at what I found. Found a beautiful stone. Okay, have some stone right here. Look at this. Some beautiful stone. I take it. It's so nice. Look what I found. This stone right here. I'm gonna take home to for summoning. It's beautiful ocean, guys. Okay, this is peasant fruit seed. Okay, that's what I bring from Maui, Hawaii. Okay, this so special. I got them here with me. About I would say about 10 of them or more. Okay, this is this one coffee bean. This is coffee bean I bring from the jungle. I went to the tree and water flow. I found coffee bean. This is the not open yet. This is still have the fruit coffee bean, and then I got this. If you put in the water and then you soak them, they're gonna grow for you coffee bean right here, just like a bean, okay? And I got tangerine. You know how beautiful tangerine at Hawaii. They plant in the backyard and then let the floor, nobody eat it. So fresh. I'm gonna go ahead plant in here, okay? Tangerine. And I got one more. This is marketing right here. And I bring from all the way from Maui, Hawaii. I'm gonna plant them because we don't have anything in this right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and plant them. This is very special to me. That's where I grew up with. We eat this like a bean. We eat this, but this is seed. You can eat seed too. I bring home with me so I can plant them. That's a marketing. Name of marketing. This is tangerine. Everybody know name. Everybody know tangerine, okay? So, but they don't have a good one just from Hawaii, so I bring them with me. And the coffee bean, you believe in me, you will never, you live in the United States, you don't see the real coffee bean. That's where I bring from Hawaii right now. So this you can grow them too. And this is peasant fruit. Not a lot of people know peasant fruit either, and I bring this seed right here, but I eat them and I see the seed. And I'm gonna plant them. So see what happened, right? Alright, so beautiful and special. I hit the jackpot again. Okay, this is souvenir from Hawaii, Maui. I'm gonna throw this. But I found it from 3-4 different spots from what's that, volcano? Volcano rocks. Volcano rocks right here.
From the beach of Maui. Just random rocks that we found on the beach.
Different beach.
Different
and then
beaches in Maui.
black sand.
Yeah, like this one I think maybe came from a black sand.
No, not maybe. It's a black sand
Yeah,
beach.
this one. So yeah, I think this is another the darker ones here. Some from the beaches with black sand.
It's beautiful, and I feel I hit the jackpot, guy. And I got the sand with me from all over, from Maui, Hawaii, with me to America. And this is mean a lot to me. I feel I hit jackpot. Just got this sand right here. This sand right here I can put in a pot and plant my flower just the way I have this one right here. They call money tree flower, but you have to put the stone in the bottom, and you put this tree in this bucket right here. Put the stone in the bottom and put the sand. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the stone. I'm going to put the stone in the bucket, this one, and then I put sand on top, then I can plant baby money tree when they're about to grow up. See them like baby one, have one and two. They grow up. You take care of it, they really grow up with you, and you have to share. They're your best friend and love one, and that's it. You have to pass on. So I got this, got that. I feel like this is my jackpot right here. Beautiful, love it. If you look at every detail of this stone, it's just you cannot find stuff like that in here. Only from Hawaii, different designs and look natural. This is from black sandstone, and this one from Pu'unoa beach stone because they're burning, and that's how they look like. And this is from the nice and like beach. You can go there and swimming and lay back, relax, and get suntan. That's why I got it from. It's a beautiful place, and then you can relax. But they all the Pacific Ocean. It's beautiful but different way. They got black stone, they got sand, they got volcano, things like that. That's amazing. I can bring home with me like that, right? Loving it because this is so beautiful. Okay, guys, this is what I want to share with you because I feel I hit jackpot because I got this video.